In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eBay Australia account and complete the setup for managed payments. To begin, go directly to ebay.com.au in your web browser. Starting from the official Australian eBay website is important because it ensures you're registering in the correct region and seeing the right account options for Australia. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure everything is displaying properly before moving on. At the top left corner of the screen, click on Register. This will open the account creation page where eBay will guide you through the basic setup process. If you already have an existing account, be careful not to accidentally sign in instead of registering, since this process is specifically for creating a new account. Next, choose whether you want a business account or a personal account. This choice depends on how you plan to use eBay. A personal account is generally suitable if you're buying and selling casually as an individual. A business account is the better option if you're operating as a business, selling at scale, or using a registered business structure. It's worth taking a second here to choose the option that best matches your operational model because it can affect how your account is managed going forward. After selecting the appropriate account type, enter your legal name, your email address, and your Australian phone number. Make sure all of the details you provide are accurate and current. Using your legal name is especially important for verification purposes, and your contact information should be active so you can receive any messages, security codes, or account updates from eBay when needed. Once those details are entered, the final part of the setup is linking your Australian bank account details to complete the managed payments onboarding process. This step allows eBay to send your sales payouts directly to your bank account. As you enter your banking information, double-check the details carefully to avoid delays or payout issues later. It's also a good idea to complete this part in a secure, private internet connection, especially when handling financial information. After that, you should be close to finishing your account setup and ready to move forward with using eBay Australia. Take your time during each stage, review the information before submitting it, and make sure everything matches your actual details. That way, your registration process is much smoother and you'll be in a better position to start buying or selling without unnecessary interruptions.